Hi, I'm Brian Bock. I'm one of the owners of Bock Steam Star. I'm an IICRC certified master textile cleaner with over 30 years in the business. And I want to talk about the most popular question I've been asked over my 30 years in the business now is, how often should I clean my carpets? Well, let's be honest, I own a carpet cleaning company, so would my answer to this be a bit biased? Be reasonable to say yes to that. So what I want to do is kind of paraphrase, and you can verify this stuff. Here are two of the largest carpet mills in the world, Shaw Industries in Mohawk and Dalton, Georgia. In my opinion, they're the Coke and Pepsi of carpet production. So what do the people who make the carpet say about how often I should maintain it? After all, they make it. Shouldn't they be most knowledgeable on how to maintain it properly, just like our automobiles? So I'm going to paraphrase what I've read all of this stuff that they put out, and year after year, the studies they've done internally, studies that have been performed outside of the carpet mills, have all come back and said that hot water extraction, commonly referred to as steam cleaning, should be done by a certified professional every 18 months is probably my standard answer, okay? You know, do you need it every 6 months? Do you need it every 12? Do you need it every 18? Depends, but most of the warranties are saying, hey, I like hot water extraction because we know it cleans the best. And it's not just about the appearance, what's up here, it's what's been driven down into those carpet fibers, and they're gritty. They act like little razor blades and cause dulling. And here's a good analogy. Most people don't realize that carpet fibers, synthetic carpet fibers, are nothing more than refined plastics, okay? So just like this plastic pipe I have here, I can see through it, it's nice and shiny. If I just took sandpaper to this side and we scratched it up, it would look like that, okay? So that's what carpet fibers do, and that's what dry soil, oily soils bind in there, and then our foot traffic scratches into that yarn. So we need to remove that periodically through effective deep cleaning processes, and hot water extraction has been scientifically proven, not by me, but by the carpet mills, as to remove the most soil, leave little to no residue, and leave the home healthier. The heat that we use, they love that too. It pops that yarn up. So I tell people, look, it's kind of like rotating your tires and changing your engine oil for your carpets. So don't let it go. You'll get paid back long term because your carpets will last longer and look better while they're lasting longer. So I hope that answers that question, and we would love to see you soon.